Hi. I'm gonna turn the volume down. This is really loud. Oh my god. I'm playing. Okay, I'm back. Still kind of loud. I don't want myself to be screaming inside this house. Oi. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Dang it. I knew that was gonna happen anyway. What? Okay. Oh no! Oh no! No, I didn't mean to get out. Shoot. I didn't mean to get out. Bears attack 1. Bears attack 2. Cancel. Let's see. Ladies at night 1. Ladies night 2. Ladies night 3. Creepy crawlies. Nightmares attack. Ooh. Spring trapped. Old friends. Chaos 1, Chaos 2, Chaos 3. I don't know. I don't know what to choose. I'm just gonna do all one. Go. I don't know. I won't know anything. Oh, hi, Foxy. Wait, who was Freddy watching? What? Yeah, I'm scared. Wait, whoa. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my god! That game was totally ripped. Shut up. Take this item for your troubles. Okay. Well, that was apparently strange. Hold on. I'm just gonna make this one a movie because I don't really care. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna... What? Again, stop it, Freddy. Shut up. Jesus, this is literally my first time playing this game and I'm terrible. Freddy, no. You're not playing. You're not coming. Oh, hi. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Where are you? You're not in. Those two are just pretty much annoying me. I have no idea how to play, I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna try my best. Can I boop someone's written? Yay! Oh, dang it. Stupid Bonnie. Hi? I gotta get jump scared. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Please! I always come back. Shut up, I don't care about you. Who were you? Who were you? Afton. Oh, shut up. Oh my god! No, I'm playing Ultimate Custom Night. Shut up. I'll join around when I'm done with this night. If I can. Yay. Hi. God dang it, Bonnie. Really? Oh, hi. Hi, jump scare me. Jesus Christ, Bonnie. A new challenger has appeared. What? Hi, baby. Yeah, because he killed me. Okay, so baby jump scared me. You know, never mind. I'm just gonna do this anyway. This game is pretty fun, actually. It's not really that scary to me because I'm pretty much a 10-year-old in 5th grade. I don't know. No, 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 no. Jesus, Bonnie, stop it! My goodness. Hi, Balloon. Bonnie, stop it! Oh, hi. Prevent reset ventilation. Yay. That gave me a heart attack.
It seems you couldn't make it to my show, so I brought the show to you.
It seems you couldn't come to my show, so I brought the show to you. What? Lefty. He becomes active from noise and heat. He is too far away from the music box to be soothed by it, but the global music box can calm him down. Oui. Scrap Baby. She will appear on the opposite side of your desk. When she moves, use a controlled shock. What? So Scrap, Funtime, Foxy, Numlin. Molten Freddy. He climbs the vents, but can avoid the vent snare. Listen for his voice, then shut the vent door before he gets through. Yeah, I don't really care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care about anything. I'm just gonna die. I can die all I want. I'm just gonna. Ah! Hi. Bonnie, no. I don't want you near me. Who is in my room right now? Jesus Christ. Nope. Stop it. Stop. 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 Jesus, Bonnie. Oh, hi. Just call me all you want, guys. I don't really care. Hi.
It seems you couldn't make it to my show, so I brought the show to you.
I only survived 45 seconds. Wait, no, that was... No, that's... I don't know. I'm gonna do a little challenge. I'm gonna do a beer's attack. When you see him sitting in your office, click on one quickly, or otherwise he will get in your face with an air heard, agitating, sound-sensitive animatronics. What? He's invisible to the cameras, can only be seen when he reaches to your right doorway. Close the door on his face to send him back into the darkness. Okay. I'm gonna do Freddy's Night. It's been 10 minutes. Ah! Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Nope. Okay, let's see what the... Oh, shut up, Freddy's. Oh, hi.
We know who our friends are, and you are not one of them.
We know who our friends are. You're not one of them. Oh, shut up. Jesus. Nobody cares about you. Let's try Bear's Attack, too. Okay. Oh, hi. Wait, did I see a coin? It's a coin. I need coins. Game over, what? God dang it. Shush. Freddy. Let's try Bear's... Oh, never mind. Pay attention, 1. Ooh, I wonder what this is. Hi. What do you want? Muted. I don't care about you. Hi. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Shoot! I heard that music. Seeming powerless is like music to me. What? I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything. Let's try Ladies Night 1. I'm scared to do like anything else, like seriously. Whew. Okay. I'm always at 12 a.m. What do you want? Oh shoot. Oh. Hi. Hi, Chica. Chica says nothing. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna continue Ultimate Custom Night sooner or later. So yeah, bye.